Hello friends, welcome to Crystal Crafts. Happy Women's Day to all. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this pretty DIY women's wallet. You can easily make this and gift it to the super women in your life. To watch more craft videos you can click the subscribe button and the notification bell. So firstly, to make the wallet, we're going to use this pretty outer fabric, one piece of inner fabric. We'll also be needing one piece of the interfacing. So first, with some glue, I'm going to stick this on the back side of the outer fabric. Next, we're going to place the inner fabric with the right side facing towards the right side of the outer fabric, and we're going to sew all along the edges, leaving a gap in the side of the fabric. The gap will enable us to turn the wallet inside out. Next, we'll top stitch on all the four sides of the wallet, and this will close the gap we had left to turn it inside out. Next, we're going to fold the wallet like so, and we're going to sew on either sides of the folded part. So now we need to attach closure hooks to open and close our wallet. So our wallet is almost complete and looking pretty. So now I'm going to take this hook and the fastener and attach it on the wallet. The fastener will be attached on the wallet down below. So here's our wallet all completed with the convenient closure, and it's looking really pretty. It's quite spacious and you can keep all your credit and debit cards in it. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe to my craft channel Crystal Crafts to watch more such DIY and craft videos. Thank you for watching.